An image will say more than 1,000 words, and yet we're not using it enough in our LinkedIn profile. You know, a good background image on your LinkedIn profile will give you an enormous boost on the acceptance rate of the invitations that you're sending out. One person is more relating to what you've written, the text, and the other person is more relating to what he sees. And it's the same with audio. And all those options are there already in your LinkedIn profile. Your LinkedIn profile has only one purpose. That is, your visitor needs to be inspired and being informed and actually made curious of what you have to offer. And they want to know more about you. Your LinkedIn profile must confirm that you are the expert that can help them. On which parts of your LinkedIn profile can you put these kind of media? You can put it in your header. We call it the Harry Potter headshot. You can also put it in your feature parts. Your part where you can put audio, you can put a blog, but you can also put video, and you can put another kind of recording in there, and you can make sure that it's always visible in your profile. You can also put it in your experience. For each position that you have in your profile, you can put different kinds of audio in there. So there are so many possibilities to make your LinkedIn profile 3D. The biggest trap is not using them enough. And it's a shame, because 90% all your leads will visit your LinkedIn profile on when they want to get in touch with you, or even before. And you know, people remember images much better than words, especially over longer periods of time. It has to do with our brain. Our brain only has 13 milliseconds for remembering an image for a longer period of time. When with text, that's much longer. So, what kind of experience you want to offer your LinkedIn profile visit? And how do you want to be remembered by your profile visit? Put images on your LinkedIn profile and see what this gains for you. Happy selling!